This is the upgraded 3.5 millimeter ball bearing for the Ruger American Extractor. Focus. There you go. It's for the 6.5 creedmoor and 308. To install it, you just gotta pretty much push this forward while keeping pressure there since it's under spring pressure. See if I could do it with one hand. Hold on. So what I used was a brass punch, a 1/8 brass punch, to pretty much put it right there and slide it forward. So what I'm gonna do now, put my thumb over it and finish it sliding it out. There you have the bearing and the extractor and the spring. To install it, you just put the bearing on top of the spring, slide the plate over. So you pretty much want to align the extractor on the groove right there. Grab the punch, push down on the detent spring and the bearing as far down as you can go, and at the same time start moving the plate back. Here you have it compressed. All you gotta do is push until it clicks. And there it goes. Click into position. That's how you install it. So that's for the Ruger American 6.5 creedmoor 308. If you have any question, post them in the comments. And that's pretty much it. Link will be in the description.